So I'm about to leave to CES, and I just realized that my lightning cables are dead. So went to Amazon, bought the Huaham brand. Yes, I've used the HDMI cable before. Happy, so that's why I bought the Huaham brand again. Let's see. Let's see how it looks. Because I'll be bringing my austere wall charger, as you can see on the top right here. Click here for the review. So I bought both USB-C and USB-A version. So here's the C to Lightning, and this is A to Lightning. So there they are. From A, oh, this is metal. It's pretty good. And yeah, this is metal too. If I can just get it to focus. There you go. Metal with the H logo, stands for Huaham. And this is USB-A. Nice and sturdy. Material is pretty good too. It's braided. And it's flexible. Nice. Here are the USB-C to Lightning connector, made of same metal casing, same braided material. Pretty impressive actually. Definitely much better than the Apple original cables. And considering the combined price of only 50 Canadian dollars for me to get 5 MFI certified cable, I think it's really worth the money. And also you can find the affiliate link in my description, so you can buy these cables very easily. So I'm off to CES right now. Click like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you'll get updates from CES.